Alisha. Welcome to Alishasworld. What shall we do? I have an idea. Let's go. Let's be a pink superhero. Purple and orange, pink. Let's color. First pink. Now let's color purple. Now let's do orange. Wow, so colorful. But where's my dress? I want to be a princess superhero. Magic ball, make me a clown. I'm a princess superhero. My magic ball works.
Wow!
Oh no, Spider-Man need help. Let me save him. Come on, let's take you home. Spider-Man saved. Now I want to be Alisha again. Magic ball, Alisha. Yay, I'm Alisha. Being a superhero is hard. Now what shall we do? Let's play with the new slime.
3, 2, 1! Wow! 3, 2, 1!
Uh-oh. Go with the slime. I like it. Slimy. Scratchy. After ball.
Aww.
I'm gonna make a butterfly.
Wow.
Let's go. Let's go. Now we're doing green. Yellow or blue? I can't hear you. Yellow. Nice toy. I love my butterfly. Let's add glitter. We have purple. Then we also have yellow. We have green. We have orange. We have pink. And we have blue. Let's do all of them. Orange. Now pink. Now blue. Uh-oh, see. Uh-oh, it's okay. Now purple. Now green. And last yellow. Yay! Wow, my beautiful butterfly. It's a rainbow butterfly. I'm so happy. So sparkly. I'm butterfly. Woo! Wow. So sparkly. Make sure you like and subscribe. Alishasworld.